This video introduces the RobotSlang benchmark, a new real-world dataset for dialog-guided robot localization and navigation. Let us first describe the problem setup. The goal of a RobotSlang trial is to find 3 objects in the maze in a certain sequence. The driver navigates the robot, and the commander directs the driver. On the left you see the driver feed. On the right you see the map provided to the commander. Crucially, neither the commander or the driver know where the driver is located at the start of a trial. Both are allowed to communicate with each other using only a text channel interface. To solve a trial, they must first localize the position of the driver within the maze, and then the commander must direct the driver to the objects within the maze. Here is an example of RobotSlang's vision and language navigation task in action. Here, due to confusions arising between the participants, conversational repair must be implemented to relocalize the position of the driver. We make a simulation environment to recreate RobotSlang trials. To validate our simulation, we perform simple particle filter localization of the driver. On the left you see the annotated map. In the middle you see the actual map. On the right you see the different driver feeds. The top driver feed is the actual live feed. The one below it is an annotated feed that separates the original feed into its constituent colors. Here we show that localization is possible in our annotated maps using these labeled forward feeds. Our final clip shows how we use our simulated environment to train VLN models. Agents have the supervision of a global optimal path planner and utilize actions provided by this teacher path planner to learn. Here we see our simulation in action. The robot is the blue dot. Particle measurements are sent out to measure the wall colors. The different color blobs represent objects, and the small green dots represent the discretization of the maze for simulative purposes. The yellow trajectory represents the optimal path to the goal and is used as a form of supervision. On the right we see the dialog provided to the agent to perform the navigation from dialog history task.